Are you curious to create these type of trending social media images like this? Either this is for Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other platform. These type of images are very trending or viral. Everyone wants to create these images. I'm your host Wajiha Naim and welcome to my channel in Crowdbuzz. So in this video I will tell you how to create these type of images in very easy way. So don't miss the any point and watch the video till the end. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video. So let's get started. Go to the Microsoft browser and type here Bing Image Creator. So you have created account already, so we will press the first link here. Now there is the option, you have to give the prompt here, which I will give in the description. You can check there, and I will also give in the first comment. And if you have any point to clear, so you can ask me. So let's get create a 3D illustration featuring a realistic 18-year-old beautiful young boy busy to writing something on his laptop and sitting on a chair in front of a 3D logo of a WhatsApp. The character should have blue and white pen coat tie with sneaker shoes with glasses. The background of the image should showcase a social media profile page, and the username, you can type your name also here. You can make changes accordingly if you want, and a matching profile picture and modify it. So now this is the prompt. I will press the create and it will magically create the images. So you can check, it will take some time. You can see here your image is being created by AI. It has created 4 images for us, so you can check. These are the high definition images. So these type of images are so beautiful, which you can create. Now we can check another prompt here for another platform. I have already created some images. You can check like this. This is the prompt. Create a 3D illustration of an animated character sitting casually on a top of a social media logo, TikTok, and the girl and the character is wearing a hijab, must wearing a hijab. I will give also these in the description, so you can also check. Create a Disney pixel photo of a beautiful girl sitting on a logo chair of a social media logo, Instagram, wearing Muslim clothes. The background is the mock-up of Instagram profile page with the name of Wajiha, and the reflection should be on the ground. Now I will press the create button and it will create 4 images for us. This software daily give you 14 points. 14 points means so you can create 14 times 14 times images on this. Next day you will also get the 14 points. So you can, as you can see, this is created so beautifully. Look at this. There are 4 types of, I like this one. This is so cute and beautiful. So this is how you can also create the images. You can download it by just pressing the download button, and it will download in your download folder, so you can check also. Go to the downloads. The image has been downloaded in our downloads folder. So this is the very easy way you can create these type of images. I hope you like this tutorial. If this helpful for you, kindly tell me in the comment section, and if you have any query you can ask me in the comment. I would love to answer. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.